A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. Welcome again in e-learning classes. This is your English teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine and also excited to learn next poem, Topsy-Turvy World, written by poet William Brighty Rands. Dear students, in this video I will explain only for you in Hindi also. So let's start. Topsy-turvy world means utter confusion और disorder. Topsy-turvy का मतलब होता है उल्टा पुल्टा. One's feet on head on downward like this picture. In this picture shows all things confusing, upward downward side like this. So what poet said, if the butterfly caught the bee and the owl the porcupine, if the churches were built in the sea and 3 times 1 was 9, मीन्स यदि तितली ने मधुमक्खी को छोड़ दिया और उल्लू शाही, यदि चर्च समुद्र में बनाए गए थे और 3 बार 9 था. If the pony rode his master, if the buttercups ate the cows, if the cat had the dice to be worried sir by the mouse. Means क्या कह रहे हैं poet? It's in this poem, it's an amazing imagination of William Brighty Rands, and he said, अगर टट्टू मीन्स पोनी, अगर टट्टू ने अपने मालिक को सवार किया, हम हमेशा पोनी पे बैठते हैं, बट दिस अ टॉप्सी टर्वी वर्ल्ड सो डैट हियर ऑल थिंग्स अपोजिट. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, अगर टट्टू ने अपने मालिक को सवार किया, यदि मक्खन गायों को खा जाता है, अगर बिल्लियों की घोर विपत्ति थी, चिंतित होने के लिए सर माउस द्वारा If Mama sir sold the baby to a gypsy for half a crown, if a gentleman sir was a lady, the world would be upside down. If any or all of these wonders should ever come about, I should not consider them blunders, for I should not be inside out. क्या कह रहे हैं पोएट? अगर मम्मा सर बच्चे को बेच दिया आधे मुकुट के लिए जिप्सी को, अगर एक सज्जन श्रीमान एक महिला थी, दुनिया उल्टी हो जाएंगी. मुझे उन्हें मुफट नहीं मानना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे अंदर बाहर होना चाहिए. फॉर आई शुड बी इनसाइड आउट. Dear students, in this poem, Topsy-Turvy World, it's an amazing imagination shown, and in this Topsy-Turvy World, all things are with the top or head downwards. So hope you very well understood this poem. Read the poem aloud, and which line do you like best? Said in group. Also, dear students, can you walk on your hands? क्या आप अपने हाथों से चल सकते हैं? Because what other topsy turvy acts can you do? इसके अलावा और आप भी क्या क्या कर सकते हैं टॉपसी टर्वी वर्ड जैसे एक्ट, सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा लाइक. सो यू सेड इन ग्रुप ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन on page number 61 exercise A, the letters in the words T and dear can use to make the words eat. T से कौन सा वर्ड बन रहा है न्यू, that is EAT eat, and dear READ read. Now you make new words with the words in the table. Which word we made from teach? TEACH, CHEAT cheat, cheat वर्ड बना सकते हैं हम. From shrub, SHRUB shrub. Which word made? Which? Care, pet, rat, spill. This is your homework. You try to write all words. Hope you very well understood. So till you complete these activities, exercises, meet you in the next video. Till eat healthy, be safe, and never refuse to reuse. Thank you.